I'm going to go ahead and measure my 15.5 inches for the height. My top measurement is 41 inches in total. However, I have folded the fabric, so I'll have to take the half of 41 inches, which is 20.5, and so I'll measure 20.5 across the top edge of the panel. I'll measure 20.5 at the bottom. The bottom is only 32 inches. So what I'll do next is I'll find the halfway point of 20.5, which is going to be 10.25, 10.25. I will mark it. My bottom measurement is 32 inches. I'll take half of that because I have 2 pieces of fabric here. And so when I take half of 32, it gives me 16 inches. The half of 16 inches is 8 inches. So I'll line up my 8 inches right at the midpoint here. Then I'll mark where 16 inches is right here. And I'll mark where the 16 inches starts right here. Then I will take my straight edge and I will connect from the top corner here to the mark I just made there. And I'll do the same thing on this side. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a stitch along here and a stitch along here. You can finish off with zigzag stitch. I think I'm going to do that. So the final step is to do my 1-inch double hem, and to do that I will fold over and press 2 inches right around the insert. So let's get my little gadget here. It's 2 inches. Now I'm going to go ahead, fold this back, fold in to the line I pressed, fold again, and do that right around while I do my 1-inch double hem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have not hit that subscription button yet, please do hit it before you go. And remember to turn on the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. Sending you lots of love and appreciation. I will see you in the next one.